Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In this video, we are covering the top 50 most important static GK questions, perfect for all competitive exams and general awareness. Let's get started. Which is the tallest dam in India? Right answer is option B, Tehri Dam. Who gave the first estimate of national income in India? Right answer is option C, Dadabhai Nauroji. Which is the longest dam in India? Right answer is option B, Hirakud Dam. During which movement was Vallabhbhai Patel titled Sardar? Right answer is option C, Bartoli Satyagraha. How long did it take to frame the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. To whom is the Union Council of Ministers collectively responsible? Right answer is option C, Lok Sabha. Which is the longest beach in India? Right answer is option B, Marina Beach. In which state is the Wanakbori Thermal Power Station located? Right answer is option C, Gujarat. What is the international dialing code for India? Correct answer is option C, +91. Which of the following is not a member of ASEAN? Correct answer is option C, Taiwan. Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time? Right answer is option C, 82.5 degree east. Through which state does the Tropic of Cancer not pass? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. What separates India from Sri Lanka? Correct answer is option D, Park Strait. What is the study of phenomena at very low temperatures is called? Right answer is option B, cryogenics. The Statue of Unity is dedicated to whom? Right answer is option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Where was India's first white tiger breeding center set up? Right answer is option C, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Who handwrote the original Indian Constitution? Right answer is option B, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Which organization publishes the World Investment Report? Right answer is option C, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. How many parts are there in the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 25 parts. Habeas corpus is associated with which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B, fundamental rights. What was India's sex ratio according to the 2011 census? Right answer is option B, 943 females per 1000 males. Which country has hosted the Asian Games the most times? Right answer is option D, Thailand. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Within how many months must the president's vacancy be filled? Right answer is option C, 6 months. What is the total length of India's coastline including islands? Right answer is option B, 11,098.81 kilometer. Which Indian state shares the longest border with China? Right answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. How many Indian states have coastlines with beaches? Right answer is option C, 9 states. Who serves as the chairman of the National Integration Council in India? Correct answer is option D, Prime Minister. What is the total number of neighboring countries of India? Right answer is option B, 9. In which Indian state is the Nanda Devi peak located? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. What is the time difference between Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time? Right answer is option B, 5 hours and 30 minutes. Which fundamental right is regarded as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, right to constitutional remedies. Which neighboring country of India was earlier known as East Pakistan? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Where is the headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization located? Right answer is option C, Rome, Italy. Which country shares the majority of India's western border? Right answer is option D, Pakistan. Madhav National Park, India's 58th tiger reserve, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. The Radcliffe Line demarcates India from which country? Right answer is option D, Pakistan. Who was popularly called the Frontier Gandhi? Right answer is option B, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which country has both tigers and lions in the wild? Correct answer is option C, India. Indian Standard Time meridian does not pass through which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. In which region of Asia is India located? Right answer is option C, Southern Asia. Who is considered the first law officer of the Government of India? Correct answer is option D, Attorney General. Which is the coldest inhabited place in India? Right answer is option C, Dras in Jammu and Kashmir. Which Indian city has been declared the first UNESCO City of Literature? Right answer is option C, Kozhikode, Kerala. India shares its longest land border with which country? Right answer is option D, Bangladesh. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Nagaland. What is India's rank in global population as of recent data? Correct answer is option C, first rank. In which state is the Sariska Tiger Reserve located? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. India accounts for what percentage of the world's total geographical area? Right answer is option A, 2.4%. Who introduced the Objectives Resolution in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Right answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.